Looking for the best foldable phones to buy right now? You're in the right place. Welcome to our channel, where we upload high-quality videos daily to help you discover the best products and make smarter buying decisions. In today's video, we're breaking down the top foldable smartphones you should consider, so you can pick the perfect one for your needs. Number 1. Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold represents a watershed moment for foldable technology. Google achieved what seemed impossible, the first foldable with full IP68 water and dust resistance. The waterproofing transforms how you interact with the device, eliminating anxiety near pools or during unexpected rain showers. The gearless hinge design eliminates traditional gear mechanisms, reducing complexity while improving durability. Google engineered this system to handle over 10 years of daily folding, backed by aerospace-grade aluminum construction. The hinge's smooth action requires minimal force to open, yet holds firmly at any angle, perfect for hands-free video calls or taking photos at unusual perspectives. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 dramatically reimagines what a foldable flagship should be. After years of incremental updates, Samsung delivered the transformation everyone wanted, a device that feels like a normal phone when folded, yet provides tablet capabilities when opened. At just 8.9 millimeters folded and weighing only 215 grams, it's lighter than many traditional flagships despite housing 2 complete displays. The thinness achievement represents serious engineering. Samsung reduced thickness by 26% compared to the Z Fold 6, while maintaining structural integrity through advanced armor aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. The latter provides 10 times better drop performance than previous glass implementations, addressing durability concerns that have historically plagued foldables. Number 3. Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. The Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 makes a bold statement. Flip phones can match traditional flagships in every meaningful way. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite with 16 GB RAM, this clamshell delivers performance that embarrasses many non-folding phones. The combination handles demanding games smoothly while managing thermal performance impressively for such a compact device. 1000, the 7-inch main display extends the usable area compared to previous Razr models, creating a more immersive experience when unfolded. The 165Hz refresh rate represents the highest among current foldables, delivering buttery smooth scrolling and responsive touch input. Pantone validation ensures color accuracy across the display, something photographers and content creators genuinely appreciate. Number 4. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open nailed foldable design on the first attempt, creating a device that feels perfectly proportioned, both folded and unfolded. At 73.3 millimeters wide when closed, it matches traditional smartphone ergonomics rather than feeling awkwardly narrow like some book-style competitors. This small detail transforms daily usability, making the cover display genuinely practical rather than merely adequate. The 7.82-inch internal display provides the largest viewing area among current foldables. OnePlus achieved this through minimal bezels and intelligent hinge engineering that maximizes usable space. The crease remains remarkably subtle, both visually and tactily. Number 5. Motorola Razr 2025. The Motorola Razr 2025 proves that foldable technology need not require flagship pricing. At an accessible price point, this clamshell delivers the essential foldable experience while making strategic compromises that keep costs manageable. The MediaTek Dimensity 7400X processor handles daily tasks smoothly, though intensive gaming or heavy multitasking reveals performance limitations compared to flagship silicon. The 6.9-inch main display provides ample space for media consumption and general productivity, while the 120 Hz refresh rate trails the Ultra's 165 Hz. Real-world smoothness remains satisfactory for typical usage. Pantone color validation ensures accurate hues across the panel, maintaining visual quality despite the budget positioning. The 3000 nit peak brightness handles outdoor visibility effectively.